What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and in this episode I wanted to talk about the upcoming launch event from OnePlus on July 21st. It's just in a few days. They are getting back in the budget phone arena and they're launching their first ever true wireless earbuds. So yeah, I just want to talk about that for a few minutes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Blah! Alright guys, so OnePlus has a major announcement coming on July 21st. And if you watch this channel, that means you are a tech junkie and you already know. They're getting back to their roots and launching a budget phone called the OnePlus Nord and their first ever true wireless earbuds called OnePlus Buds. I think they could have came up with a little bit better naming scheme for both the phone and the buds. I'm just excited that they're actually bringing it to us. But unfortunately, they're not bringing it to me here in the US and the States. They are launching in India and Europe first. And from what I read and the rumors, if sales go well, they may launch it in a small capacity here in the US. Fingers crossed. So what we know so far is the design of the phone. We know that it's gonna have a Snapdragon 765G with 12 gigs of RAM. It's going to be 5G compatible, have a 90 Hertz display, and a quad camera setup. The main sensor is a 48 megapixel sensor, which is going to be taken from the OnePlus 8 phone, not the Pro, but the actual 8. It's going to have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro cam. Also confirmed, it's gonna have a 2 camera setup on the front. One of the lenses will be ultra wide. Some of the big questions that we don't know is pricing and how large the display is going to be. Now, the phone is going to be $500 or less. That's the only way they're gonna get to that budget category, so we know that. And the only real thing we know about the display is that it's gonna be 90 Hertz. On the software side of things, this is actually good news. Well, good news at least to me. They're gonna have this thing loaded with Google's phone, messaging, and Duo app. I hope that's something that they bring to the OnePlus 8 series because I will absolutely love that. OnePlus, bring it to the 8 series. Now, for the buds, there is really not a lot known about them. So what we do know is that there's going to be warp charge technology on board. A 10-minute charge is going to give you 10 hours of playback time. And if this thing is fully charged with the case, you're gonna have over 30 hours of playback time. The actual case itself is supposed to have like 410 milliamp battery. So that's pretty great, guys. I mean, me personally, I love to be able to have maximum battery life. I'm sure you do too. I've used a lot of Bluetooth headsets over the past year, and that's some astonishing battery life. You gotta hand it to OnePlus to come up with that stat. Hopefully it stands true in my testing when I get those in my hand. So what do you guys think? What other features do you think the OnePlus Nord and the OnePlus Buds is going to have? Let me know everything down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Guys, I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!